What's going on, YouTube? Man, we got some kind of hell of an awesome treat for you today on the channel. That's right, it's something from Ruger Knives. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into this guy. Alright, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the CRKT Ruger Romeo Tango Delta. Basically, I think that means return to duty. But hell, I don't know. Now, the neat part, this is a Matthew Lurch design, and it incorporates the Ken Onion field strip technology. And here she is. It is a beaut. Seriously, the fit and finish, the way the blade looks, the field strip tech just adds something to it. It just has that very simple, seriously, like a little upswing, blade there that... I'm looking at it as kind of a modified drop point, but I don't know. So let's go ahead and get into this wonderful stuff. It's got an overall length of 8.5 inches. The blade is 3.665, and closed it is 4.853. Yeah, hopefully you can see that right there. Not to mention the CRKT and Ruger's logo. It has a small weight of 4.02 ounces. The blade steel is 1.4116 stainless steel. It's got, the plain edge, no serrations on it, which I'm okay with. And, yeah, so what kills me is they're like, well, it's got a stainless steel frame, but in parts. So I'm going to show you that in a moment, okay? It's not a full frame. It's kind of only on one side. Now, it has a liner lock. It has one position pocket clip, which is tip up, and trust me, this thing sits wonderfully inside your pocket. Alright? Now, the handle is glass-filled nylon, which made me go, great, why can't you guys just say plastic? Because we all know exactly what that stands for. Alright? And unfortunately, for those of you who want to know, this is made in Taiwan. Now, as I said before, this is field strip technology. This will be the fourth blade that we've brought to the channel that has the field strip tech. Now, for those of you who haven't seen it before, I'm going to show you. Now, you want to move this little flipper here to the up position. Maintain a little bit of pressure. Back here where it looks like the jimping on the back, there's a little wheel. You want to turn that until you hear that clicking? And then just... and it opens up beautifully for, your cleaning. Now, I want to make mention of this. For those of you who saw my Rakiri video, I'm going to leave a little card up there. Watch close towards the back when I demo the field strip for the second time. Make sure not to lose your washers. Your blade's not going to work properly without them. Now, to get this thing back together, do the process in reverse. Oops. Dumbo. Okay. All right. You want to hold firm on that front. And you should be seeing that going back down. And then just move that. Come on. Guys, seriously, with me in this field strip, it's usually hit or miss. There we go. And back down, to the down position. But there we go. Seriously, it is a beautiful blade. And I love the field strip tech. It makes cleaning it so much simpler. Now, for this one, we took a look on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Now, the price on Blade HQ is $54.95. On CRKT, it's $89.99. And on Amazon, it's $49.93. But you also get free shipping. Now, there's no reviews on CRKT's website or on Amazon. And over on Blade HQ, it has one review, and it has a rating of 5 out of 5. But I want to know what you think, guys. Seriously, I want to know what you think. Down below. Ooh, crap. forgot the most important part. Forgive me, guys. It is pretty sharp. Right out of the box. You know, I swear, it's like I always try to forget this. Through 4 pieces, no problem. But, you know, I want to know what you think. Down below. Questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever. You know, I want to hear them. If you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to watch this video. It means the world to me, especially seeing how YouTube has a crap load of content out there, and I'm grateful you chose some of mine. Now, for you cool guys who have been watching along and not subscribed yet, let's go ahead and correct that. Right down here, a little symbol's going to pop up. That's going to be our channel logo. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've clicked on subscribe, please go ahead and click on the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Ruger RTD. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.